Oxygen is a main component of fire. Besides the fuel and heat, oxygen is important for fire flames to continuing. Scientifically, oxygen supports the chemical processes that occur during fire. When fuel burns, it reacts with oxygen from the surrounding air, releasing heat and generating combustion products like gases and smokes. Practically the fire will not occur without the enough room of oxygen. This is why cutting a source of oxygen using as a technique to extinguish a fire. When fire occur in closed area, the level of oxygen decreased as the fire burnt required amount of oxygen, and at the same time, the level of carbon dioxide increases. In this experiment, the larger candle lights off earlier compared to smaller candle. Because the produced carbon dioxide rise to the upper layer of the room which closer to the flame of the larger candle.